Before you create a patient in Pixelr, you must first search for the patient to avoid duplications. There are two ways to search for a patient. You can search using Search at the top of the page, or you can select Patient Accounts under Administration in the navigation menu. Either of these choices will take you to the same location. Using the search options at the top of the page, select a search by last name in the Search Options dropdown. Write the patient's last name in the search. You can see that the system recognizes the name entered. If there are multiple patients that meet your search, you can select your patient by highlighting their name on the list to be taken to the patient's file. If your search does not result in a match, you will need to create a new patient in Pixelr. To create a new patient in Pixelr, select Patient Accounts under Administration in the navigation menu. The page will open on the Search tab in Administration, which allows the same patient search identifiers as the search at the top of the page. Select a search option. For this example, we will use last name. Click Search. Pixelr recognized the name searched for and listed the patients on the page. You can now select one of the patients that match your search, or you can select to create a new patient account. When your search by last name does not match any patients already in Pixelr, you will see a tab has been added which reads Create Patient Account. Create your new patient by completing the page that opens. You will see that there are red asterisks next to some of the fields. These red asterisks are telling you that this information is required, and you won't be able to sign for the data until this information has been completed. Select Create Patient Account at the bottom of the page when you have completed the form. You will now see your patient's details at the top of the page, as well as a unique Pix ID number for your patient. Patient Accounts under Administration will now give you the following additional tabs to select. Edit. You can edit any data collected to create your patient profile. Discharge or admit. To discharge or admit your patient. Transfer. To transfer your patient from a different location to your location. History. Historic data relating to admit, discharge, discharge reason, and primary diagnosis. Flowsheet. Patient historic data. Custom reminders. Document upload. Assessments needing to be done. Patient list. Assign or unassign your patient.